Hello, my name is Richard Hart from the BBC. After many months of pursuing, I have finally got an opportunity to interview a person that I have been pursuing for months. To some, he is a guru. To others, he is a criminal. But to his thousands of devotees, he is a divine incarnation, an avatar. He is also the rare guru to have the distinction of having his videos featured on YouTube as well as Pornhub. After sending thousands of emails and making hundreds of phone calls, I had to fly to Ecuador to finally meet His Holiness Shri 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 Nityananda. And when I finally sought an interview, he asked me to meet him at this rather strange place.
Welcome, Hridaya. Welcome.
Hi, I'm Richard Hart.
That is what I called you. According to the Sanatana Hindu culture, heart means Hridaya. Whereas, according to the Western culture, Richard is called a dick.
Well, actually, my name is H-A-R-T, Hart.
Yes. In that, the E is silent and invisible.
Okay, well, thank you. But what is this place?
This is Kailasa, the heavenly abode. See, generally in the Western culture, everybody wants to get high. But look at me, I am always high.
I'm sorry, but we are not really high. We are at a higher altitude geographically. It's not the same thing. That's it. It's just word play.
No, innocent human. Go back into the past. Not the past that just passed by.
Okay.
What did you say first to me?
Hi?
Yes. You said hi. We are high. We both are high.
That's what I meant. It's just word. Okay, can I ask you a few questions?
Please go ahead.
So I've been watching a lot of your videos, and I found that in those videos, you just take words and you make them sound vaguely philosophical, and your videos are a hit on social media.
Now, what is hit to you is not hit to me. It is shit to me. But what is shit to you, S-H-I-T, also has my hit, H-I-T, in it.
Exactly, that's what I mean. That's what I mean. You're just taking words and making them sound vaguely philosophical, but they don't really mean anything. And that is my problem, because that is what is true of all your videos on YouTube.
See, why is it called a YouTube? It is what you want to watch in the tube. Come out of the YouTube. It will become our tube.
Again, that's what I mean. And that's what your critics are saying. That you are basically using these videos to go through an image makeover. You are making yourself seem like a fool, so that people do not take you seriously and they absolve you of your serious crimes.
According to you, fool is a foolish person. But according to the Hindu Sanatana Dharma, fool means fool, flower.
I'm sorry, that is not Hindu Sanatana culture. That is Hindi language. That's what you're doing again. While the whole country is going through a lockdown.
No. Now listen to me. What is lockdown? Lockdown is locking the inside you from the outside you, so that the inside you can be protected from the desires within the inside you and conserves the energy within the inside you, so that tomorrow your outside you can be protected deep down. So that is lockdown. You can ask my followers.
Where are your followers? I can't see them.
You fool! You have to have third eye to see them. You have so much ego. Remove the eye from the ego. You can see them with your third eye.
See, you're doing that again. You are just proving me right. That's all you've been doing for the last 10 years. You've just been sounding vaguely philosophical. You just take these words and you twist the words.
I am not twisting the words. The words are twisting me.